What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I have with me the iPhone 14 Plus, and I'm going to be unboxing it and comparing it to the iPhone 13 Pro and seeing, is it an upgrade, is it a downgrade? Anyway, let's unbox it and let's have a look and we'll see what it's like. As we can see, here is the phone. Very vibrant red. And it looks like we have special packaging that says product red. Pretty cool. The rest of the phone appears to be just your normal packaging. Pretty cool. So here is a photo comparison of the two cameras, and you got the iPhone 14 Plus on the left and the 13 Pro on the right. And here is a close-up using the main camera. And then here's a close-up using the macro camera. So as you can see, the iPhone 14 doesn't have a macro camera, unfortunately. And here's the ultra-wide outside. Looks pretty similar. And then we're going to move on to the 1x zoom. So that also looks kind of similar. But it's once you start digitally zooming, that results look better for the 14. So it looks like the 2.5x digital zoom looks better than the digital zoom on the 13. But then once we hit 3x zoom, the iPhone 13 wins again with its dedicated lens. And now we'll move on to a speaker test. So to sum up, my overall thoughts are that the iPhone 13 Pro is better in some ways, but also worse in others. So that's not a very good summary, is it? But I'll expand on that. So the 13 Pro has better hardware, like a high refresh rate screen, higher max brightness, but the processor is the same as the iPhone 14 or the iPhone 14 Plus, which is interesting because every other year that's not been the case. It's always been that the 14 got the same processor. So it's now just software locked features like Deep Fusion that could be ported to the 13 but aren't, which is a bit sad. That's why you're seeing an improvement at 2x zoom and nighttime versus the 13 Pro on the 14. So it's very interesting. But I think the best value, if you're looking value for money, is not the 14 Pro. Sorry, not the 14, but also not the 14 Pro. It's to get a used 13 or a new 13 Pro because you get a telephoto lens and the high refresh rate screen, which you do notice side by side. But if you're happy with 60 FPS, the iPhone 14 has a very good 60 FPS experience. But if you absolutely must have the latest and greatest Deep Fusion, but also not a telephoto lens, then get the 14. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions about these devices, leave a comment below. See you all in the next video. Lens Addict out. So now's the end card screen. You click on, you click on all these things that are here. You click on them. Click. Yes, please click. And then you'll get, to see the next video, you gotta subscribe, just click.